Clean hotel with friendly stag. Friendly Straff, clean hotel, soundproof, no noise from airport, new towels every night. Very small and nice rooms, perfect for a overnight layover. Shuttle arrive to CDG starts available. Very clean and nice rooms. It was a great experience. Everything was perfect. Fabulous. Good location. Very good breakfast. Nice and cheaper alternative than Paris for airport trips. The location. It's very convenient for early flights. And so much cheaper than staying in Paris. The shuttle takes you to Terminal 2 of CDC. Make sure you book ahead as the spaces are limited. Taxi rides are more expensive. If you want a quick bite, there is a pretty good pizza truck option in the hotel next door. All good. Nice quiet place. Very good. Great location close to airport and Roissy village, which has some nice little restaurants. Basic but comfortable and friendly. Very friendly and helpful staff. Top tips on where to find a great pizza at night, and kindly providing late breakfast when I got the hour wrong. Bus to CDG straight outside. Good selection of ready meals and a microwave, nice idea. Very good value for your short stay as a transit hotel. Room/bathroom was clean. Hotel is near to the airport. Easy to take the public bus to the last stop, costs €2.50 in cash only, and change to the CDG train, which was folk. Give yourself at least 30 minutes travel time. Shuttle, you must pre-book with the hotel as the bus has limited seats. Ideal hotel for a stopover close to CDG Airport. Efficient, convenient hotel close to the airport. Friendly and helpful staff upon check-in. Clean room. Good dining facility at adjacent hotel.